sell more or lots of your products and services to buyers or to consumers? And how would you like to sell faster and better? And how would you like to, cut through the whole sales person and sales copies and sales website and sales pages out there online and be able to attract your own audience to yourself, make lots of sales, make lots of profits, rinse and repeat, and make lots of money and have a better experience selling your product and service to your audience? How do you cut through the whole noise? What do you focus on so you can make most of the sales? My name is Francis and welcome back to my channel where I teach you everything about how to make money online and also every other thing that is attached to it. Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at 5 reasons why people buy, or rather 5 non-emotional reasons why people buy, because buyers have so many reasons for buying. Oftentimes, the process of buying is emotional. Okay, it's highly emotional, but in this video, we are not talking about the emotional triggers that make consumers to buy. We are looking at the non-emotional one so that you can, aside the emotional angle, you can actually take advantage of these non-emotional angles, focus on 1 or 2 of these reasons and make as much sales as possible. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I would indulge you to like this video, click the bell notification icon and subscribe so that whenever I drop hot content on how to make money online or every other thing about how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. So without wasting much of your time, there are so many reasons. Oftentimes, when you get to the internet space or online space, you'll see that most of the reasons why customers buy is, emotional. You have to trigger this, emotion or that emotion and all that before you get them to buy. Nevertheless, of recent, there has been studies that there are so many other non-emotional reasons why consumers buy. And if you can actually master the emotional one and also top it up with these non-emotional reasons, you have more advantage to sell more products and to sell more of your services. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. The first reason or the first non-emotional reason why people buy is quality. Okay, there's this set of buyers or consumers that prefer quality. No matter what is going to cost them, they are coming for that quality product. Take for instance, before I got my first iPhone, I've used several Android phones. So I used to argue a lot with people that use iPhone that, they bought the iPhone because of the hype and all that. I had this one of my friends who always tell me that try and use iPhone for once. When you have that experience, you understand why people go for iPhone. Though some people go for it for the clouds, but try and use iPhone or an Apple product. You're going to understand why most people, after using it for the first time, they are kind of attached to it and they can't use any other phone. And I decided to get my first iPhone. And the moment I got the iPhone, I said it took me some time to leave my Android to actually focus more on the iPhone. But over time, the user experience, the flexibility and all that was so good that I kept on buying iPhones compared to Android. I only have Android for 1 or 2 reasons, but I will use iPhone any time and I'll keep buying more. Okay, so quality, because sometimes you feel like buying a cheap product, or you feel like buying a cheap product would actually save you money and all that. But at the end of the day, you realize that the experience which you get from quality product is way much more than those other cheaper ones. So quality is one of the reasons why people buy products. Okay, and if you are someone that offer quality products or offer quality services, then you may have to charge more to be able to sustain the quality of whatever product or service you offer to your audience or to your consumers. Okay, then the second reason is pricing. There are this range of people or this set of people that they're always looking out for the cheapest deal, the highest discount, the lowest cost, the promo price, and everything. And anything that will actually make them buy a product at a cheaper rate, they're always looking out for it. Okay, and those kind of people, they are not just, there are some products that they will want to buy and they decide to focus on the price, and there are some other products that they will want to buy, they will focus on the quality. Okay, so it's not as if there is hard and fast rule about someone that is after cheap products and some other people after no. Though at some point those reasons could cross carpet. Someone that looked for a cheap product could actually the next day look for a quality product, depending on the situation at hand or at that point in time. Okay, so but the most important thing is this: if you are someone that sell cheap products or you decide to compete because of price. Okay, let me use price. Let me not call it cheap, because cheap is actually quite different from the price. If you're someone that decide that sell and compete by price, always have it at the back of your mind that you are going to actually die by price or leave the market due to the pricing. Because take for instance, you are selling a particular product online, and after some days or after some months, someone else comes in, gives 20% discount and is selling cheaper, and you decide to compete with that person. You come back, you give 20% discount. This is the way you guys keep going down until both of you are out of the market. It happens a whole lot of time in e-commerce business. When you are selling a particular product, some people search for it online and see that this product is actually selling fine and going on well. What do? They copy. And once they copy, the first thing that comes to their mind as far to get more audience or to sell more is to reduce the price. Okay, so as a service provider or as a product seller, don't compete with price and due to price. Though pricing is one of the reasons why most persons buy things. Okay, then the next reason or the next non-emotional reason is selection or wide range of collections. Okay, so many consumers out there prefer a platform where they can get so many options of a particular product, or where they have a wide range of selection of products compared to a single product or a single service shop. And that's why platforms like Amazon is making way much sales compared to some other platform. Platforms like Alibaba and let's say Netflix also, because consumers prefer a place whereby they can, at a particular spot, they can actually compare prices, look at reviews, and make their buying decisions immediately instead of having to search on the search engine, read lots and lots of posts and content, compare prices here and there before they could. No, they prefer a place where there is wide range of products, similar product, which they can compare prices, read through buyer's review, and make their decision. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why consumers buy lots of products. Okay, wide range of selection. So maybe if you're offering a service, also think of similar and related services to attach to it, so that you can actually secure more audience to buy from you. Okay, so reason number 4 is convenience. Okay, convenience or pain factor. Yeah, convenience is also is both emotional and non-emotional. Okay, let me give you an instance. Have you been in a situation whereby you traveled let's say you're going to a new environment, or you went to meet a friend and all that? You traveled all the way from your city to a new city where you don't know anybody, and unfortunately on getting to that place, your friend wasn't around. Maybe there was an emergency, he left the city and all that, and you can't go back that day. You have to sleep over before going back. You realize that you may not have planned or you may not have budgeted to spend so much to find accommodation or to find a hotel, but as the situation may have it, there is just one hotel in that area, or let's say there is just one hotel that has space in that area, and the price is like times 3 of what you normally pay. For the fact that you don't have any option, and for the fact that you need that convenience to sleep, keep your head safe, and because you stand out there in the streets, you may get robbed or get attacked. So for your safety and for your life, you have no other option than to go for this hotel which is available. Okay, because at that point in time, you are looking at convenience. How can I, feel better, sleep over, be safe before thinking of going back the next day? And also, whereby it relates to, a pain factor in the sense that you didn't plan spending this amount, but whereby this is the only option available. You have no other option than to, or you have no other reason or alternative other than to lodge in that hotel. And so convenience is one of the reasons why people buy. And also, platforms like Amazon offer that, because when a customer comes into Amazon, there are so many products, similar products, cheaper one, more quality ones, and the rest of it. So it gives them that convenience of, okay, at a spot, at a site, they can get all the research that they want, make all the decisions that they want, and get the product that they want. Okay, so convenience is another reason. Then the last but not the least reason, non-emotional reason, is branding. Okay, or let's say, let me put it this way, personalization. Consumers nowadays want a product that is personalized, that is branded to them. I can remember ordering a set of flags, water flags, simply because the person selling these flags also do branding. They brand. If you want them to brand your name on the flags, they will do it for you. If you want them to put your business name to brand they do that without so much extra charges. So that was what actually attracted me to get those set of flags or drinking flags and use them as freebies to some of the offers I give out there online. Okay, so personalization. And there's this brand that did that. I think Coca-Cola. When you look at Coca-Cola, I think last year, I think they still do it, but the last time I saw something like that was early last year, where they put your name. When you pick a Coca-Cola drink, you see someone's name and all that on it, and that particular personalization made lots and lots of consumers to come into the brand and try to buy as much Coke as possible and all that. Okay, so this is also one of the reasons why consumers buy. And as someone that offers services or someone that sells products, you could focus on one or two or three of these reasons. Okay, if your focus is on price, good. If it's on quality, good. You know what to do. Okay, then if it's on wide range of selection or confidence and all that, powerful. So while you have the emotional reason, while you are pushing the emotional reasons so you can make much sales, also try to focus on one or two of these non-emotional reasons so that you can amass much sales, make more, then cut through the whole noise and the whole salesy content out there and be able to convince your future clients or your future customers to buy from you rather than going to other platforms to buy. Okay, so having been with me in this video up to this moment, I hope you've learned the ways you can actually make more sales. You can actually attach this to what you already know, so you can actually amass more sales. And also, having been with me up to this moment, I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you could be among the first to be notified. So thank you so much, and see you next time.